protein and fat. We will discuss all possible questions by asked by SSC of protein and fat. So which of the following nutrient store maximum energy per gram? That is fat. Fat store maximum energy per gram. Fat store maximum energy per gram. Fat is one of the macromolecule nutrients, including carbohydrate and proteins. Fat molecule is composed of carbon and hydrogen. Each gram of fat supplies the body with about 9 calories, more than twice that is supplied by protein or carbohydrate. Which food component has the highest growth calorific values? That is fats. Fat have the highest calorific values. Which of the following has the highest protein content per gram? The soybean is the richest grain in containing of protein. So soybean has the highest protein content among the given option. Soybean 0.36 gram, 1 gram of soybean contains 0.36 gram of protein. It's mean that if you eat 100 gram of soya chunk, you will get 36 gram of protein intake. Wheat 0.13 gram per 1 gram, groundnut 0.26 gram per 1 gram. Fruit have lowest protein content. For example, apple has 0.003 gram per 1 gram. Protein is a macronutrient. Minimum quantity required per day is around 15 grams. Protein is used to make enzymes, hormones. Protein is an important building block of bones, muscles, cartilage, skin and blood. Protein are made up of amino acids. Protein are biomacromolecules that involves in all vital activities of cells. Protein are made up of amino acids. Protein are composed of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen and sulfur elements. Protein are built from a set of only 20 amino acids, each of which has unique side chain. In fact, protein are polymer of amino acids. Within a protein, multiple amino acids are linked together by peptide bonds. The main protein found in milk is casein. Casein is a main protein in milk. Casein protein found in milk. Casein constitute approximately 80% 2.29.5 gram per liter of the total protein in bovine milk. Bovine means the cow milk. Bovine means cow. So the of the total protein in bovine milk. And casein is chiefly phosphate conjugated and mainly consists of calcium phosphate micelle complex 2 to 45% of the protein in human milk. Casein protein is a fast drying water soluble medium used by artists and used since ancient Egyptian time. Tempera paint. Which of the following protein is found in milk? Which of the following protein is found in milk? That is caseins. Caseins is a protein which is found in the milk. Consuming unsaturated fats and carbohydrate instead of saturated fat in one's diet reduce the risk of consuming unsaturated fats and carbohydrate instead of saturated fats in one's diet reduce the risk of, I think that is diabetes. No, that is heart disease. Consuming unsaturated fats and carbohydrate instead of saturated fat is one's diet. One's diet reduce the risk of heart disease. Reduce the risk of heart disease. While eliminating saturated fats can improve heart health, a new study shows that it makes a difference. It makes a difference which food are used in their place. A study shows that replacing saturated fats with unsaturated fats and high quality carbohydrates have the most impact on reducing the risk of heart disease. Amino acids are often referred to as building block of building block of proteins. Amino acids are building block of protein. Protein are made up of compound called amino acid. So they are known as the building component of protein. Amino acids are the necessary ingredient for the growth and development of human basic amino group NH2 and carboxyl group COOH are found in amino acid. Long chains of amino acid constitute peptide and proteins. Protein are made up of 20 amino acids. Which of the following is an active enzyme? Trapezium, 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 trapezin, 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 trapezin. Trapezin is produced by the pancreas in an inactive form called trapezinogen. The trapezinogen enters the small intestine through the common bile duct and is converted to active trapezin. The active trapezin acts with the other two principal digestive proteinases, pepsin and chymotrypsin to break down dietary protein into peptides and amino acids. These amino acids are essential for muscles growth, hormone production, and other important bodily function. Which enzyme is present in all members of the animal except protozoa? Amylase. Amylase. Amylase is present in all members of the animal except protozoa. Digestion in protozoa is carried on by several enzymes such as peptides, protein, lipase, etc. For example, insulin has important role in the glucose uptake of protozoa. However, protozoa lack amylase, which is required for the digestion of starch. It is due to the absence of amylase. The protozoa, such as amoeba, cannot digest fats and starch. The human saliva contains an enzyme called salivary that breaks down starch, a complex molecule, into sugar. Salivary amylase. I think amylase. Yes. The human saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase that breaks down starch, a complex molecule, into sugar. Amylase found in the saliva of oral cavity of human beings break down starch into sugar. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. In which of the following form are carbohydrate stored in our body? That is stored in our body in the form of glycogen. Carbohydrates are stored in our body mostly in two forms. One is glycogen, which is stored in liver for short term, and the other is fat for long term through the process of glycogenesis. Glycogen converts into glucose when the level of glucose decreases in the body. Is a multiple branched polysaccharide of glucose that serve as a form of energy storage in animal and fungi, that is glycogen. Glycogen is a multi-branched polysaccharide of glucose that serve as a form of energy storage. In which of the following form are carbohydrates stored in our body? Glycogen. Carbohydrates are stored in our body mostly in two forms. One is glycogen, which is stored in liver for short term, and the other is fat for long term. Through the process of glycogenesis, glycogen convert into glucose when the level of glucose sorry to inconvenience, but skin is not working properly, so that's why it all inconvenience happen. ठीक है। So carbohydrates are stored in our body mostly in two forms. One is glycogen, which is stored in liver for short term, and the other is fat for long term. Through the process of glycogenesis, glycogen converts into glucose when the level of glucose decreases in the body. Is a multi-branch polysaccharide of glucose that serve as a form of energy storage in animals and fungi, that is glycogen. Glycogen is a multi-branch polysaccharide of glucose that serve as a form of energy storage in animals, bacteria and fungi. In human, glycogen is accumulated in liver and muscles in hydrated form while stored as starch in plant. In which form is glucose stored in our body, that is glycogen. Glucose that is not need for energy is stored. Glucose that is not needed for energy is stored in the form of glycogen as a source of protein energy in our body, readily available when needed. Most glycogen is stored in the liver and in muscle cells. When there is demand for glucose, then it breaks down their stored glycogen into glucose and send it through the bloodstream as fuel for the other organs. Name of the enzyme in human body that help to break that name of the enzyme in human body that help to break down carbohydrates, that is analyze. Name of enzyme in the human body that helps to break down carbohydrate, that is amylase. यार आज ये फ़ोन बहुत परेशान कर रहा है इसकी। अरे यार। Name of enzyme is human body that helps to break down carbohydrates. Amylase. An amylase is an enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of starch into sugar. Amylase is present in the saliva of human and some other mammals, where it begins the chemical process of digestion. Digestion of carbohydrate is performed by several enzymes. Starch and glycogen are broken down into glucose by amylase and maltase. Starch, starch and sugar in our food are form of carbohydrates. Starch and sugar in our food are form of carbohydrates. Chromosome. Chromosome. Human sex chromosome determine the sex of a child where XX is the result of girl. X देखिए सेम क्रोमोसोम XX या YY, सेम क्रोमोसोम XS या YY are the result of girl, and opposite chromosome XY that is the result of boys. There are 23 pair of chromosomes. There are 23 pair of chromosomes present in human beings, out of which 22 pairs are same in both male and female, known as autosomes. Autosomes. In female 23rd pair. In female 23rd pair, sex chromosome is similar to autosomes XX, whereas in male it is XY. The sex of a child is determined by the father chromosome. If the chromosome is XY, it result boy, and if chromosome is XX, it result in girls. Both combination of paternal chromosome result in female. Both combination of paternal chromosome. Both combination of paternal chromosome result in female XX. XX combination of paternal chromosome result in female Out of these 23 pairs, 22 pairs are autosomes and only one pair is the sex chromosomes. Both males and females carry two sets of sex chromosomes. How many chromosomes does a human cell contains? That is 46. 46. How many chromosomes does a human cell contain? 46. Human have 23 पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, 46 इन नंबर. देखिए 23 पेयर हैं तो ये नंबर में कितने होंगे? 23 इन टू जा 46. ठीक है, तो ह्यूमन हैव 23 पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम एंड 46 इन नंबर, in which 22 pair of numbered chromosome called autosomes and one pair of sex chromosomes X and Y. Each parent contribute one chromosome to each pair so that offspring get half of their chromosome from their mother and half from their father. It is generally recognized that chromosomes were first discovered by Walter Fleming in 1882. A pair of contrasting characters controlling the same trait is called allele. Allele is a variant form of gene. Some genes have a variety of different forms which are located at the same position or genetic locus on a chromosome. Humans are called diploid organisms because they have two alleles at each genetic locus with one allele inherited from each parent. The word allele is short form of allelomorph, which is coined by British genetics William Bateson and Edith Saunders. Polyleploidy arises due to change in an organism having more than two sets of homologous chromosomes is known as polyploid, and the phenomenon is polyploidy refers to a numerical change in a whole set of chromosomes. Polyploidy may occur due to abnormal cell division, either during mitosis or commonly during metaphase. First in meiosis. Which of the following is present in a chromosome? That is DNA and protein. DNA protein complex is called chromatin, wherein the mass of protein and nucleic acid is nearly equal. Within cells, chromatin usually folds into characteristic formation called chromosomes. Each chromosome contains a single double-stranded pieces of DNA along with the aforementioned packaging protein. Chromosomes are thread-like structure located inside the nucleus of animal and plant cells. Which pair is matched incorrectly? Charles Darwin role of earthworm in fertility of soils, ये सही है. Charles Darwin role of earthworms in fertility of soil, सही है. ग्रेगर मेंडल फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स, ये सही है. ग्रेगर मेंडल GREGOR ग्रेगोर मेंडल इज द फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स, सही है. JBS हेल्डेन ओरिजिन ऑफ लाइफ, सही है. JBS हेल्डेन. मैक्सवेल DNA एज अ बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ, ये रॉन्ग है. The Scotsman James Clerk Maxwell (1831 to 1879) is regarded as the greatest theoretical physicist and mathematician of the 19th century. He is best known for the formulation of the theory of electromagnetism and in making the connection between light and electromagnetic wave in 1985, which facilitated the discovery of television and radio. He also made significant contribution in the areas of physics, mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. He considered as the father of modern physics. DNA was first identified in the late 1860s by Swiss chemist Frederick Mischer. Thus, option D is the not correct. Means rest option are correct match. Which chromosome is responsible for manliness in men? That is XY chromosome. XY chromosome is responsible for manliness in men. Male have the Y chromosome. The genes on this chromosome tend to be involved in male sex determination and development. Sex is determined by the SRY gene. Sex is determined by the SRY gene, which is responsible for the development of fetus into a male. In human being, there are 23 pair of chromosomes and 22 pair are autosomal and one pair called as sex chromosome. In female, XX and male XY. Babe neck is a characteristic of. Babe neck is a characteristic of. Features of Turner syndrome. Features of Turner syndrome may include a short neck with a babe appearance, low hairline at the back of the neck, low set ears, hands and feet that are swollen or puffy at birth, and soft nails that turn upward. Girls with Turner syndrome grow more slowly than other children. In Turner syndrome, also known as 45X or 45XO, is a genetic condition in which a female is partly or completely missing an X chromosome. So that is Turner syndrome. Babe neck is characteristic of Turner syndrome. Genetics. Which scientist through his work on pea plant discovered the fundamental laws of inheritance? That is Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel, through his work on pea plants, discovered that fundamental laws of inheritance. He deduces that genes come in pair and are inherited as distinct units, one from each parent offspring. Therefore, inherited one genetic allele from each parent with sex cells unit in fertilization. The three laws of inheritance proposed by Mendel include law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent astronomment. Gregor Mendel's basic law of heredity is based on his work on which vegetables, that is peas. The genetic experiment Mendel did with pea plant took him 8 years, 1856 to 1863, and he published his result in 1865 annual proceeding of the Natural History Society in Brunn in 1866. Mendel grew over 10,000 pea plants, keeping track for progeny, number and type. Mendelberg and his law of inheritance were not appreciated in his time. He is also known as father of genetics. Mendel is known as father of genetics. Gregor Mendel is known as the father of genetics. Through his work on pea plants, discovered the fundamental law of inheritance. He deduced that genes come in pairs and are inherited as distinct units, one from each parent. Mendel's laws of heredity are usually stated as the law of segregation, the law of independent astronomment, ascertainment, the law of dominance. In a Punnett square with the cross AABB XAABB, how many AABB genotype would be created? That is very complex and constant. So let's show the answer. The Punnett square is a square diagram that is used to predict the genotype of a particular cross or breeding experiment. It is named after Reginald C. Punnett, who devised the approach. The diagram is used by biologists to determine the probability of an offspring having a particular genotype by the Punnett square with the cross AABB and AABB. There are 4 AABB genotypes. What is the transplantation? What is the transplantation of graft between genetically identically individuals? That is isograft. Isograft is a graft of tissue between two individuals where are genetically identical. Monozygotic twins. Transplant rejection between two such individuals virtually never occurs, making isografts particularly relevant to organ transplantation. Patients with organs from their identical twins are inheritably likely to receive the organ favorably and survive. Which among the following is not a genetic disorder? AIDS. The disease which transfer from one generation to another generation is known as genetic disease. This disorder occurs due to mutation in genes. AIDS is a contagious disease which is caused by HIV. AIDS is not a genetic disease. AIDS is not a genetic disease. Genetic diseases, viral diseases. Down syndrome, that is genetic disease. AIDS, viral disease. Petu syndrome, genetic disease. Klinefelter syndrome, genetic disease. Color blindness, genetic disease. Thalassemia, genetic disease. AIDS, viral disease. Measles, viral disease. Polio, viral disease. Herpes, viral disease. And influenza, etc., viral disease. In which organic evolution? In which of the following period ostriches were found in India? That is Paleolithic period. Large quantities of ostrich egg cells found at Pune, Maharashtra give evidence that ostrich lived in India during the Paleolithic period. Which of the following is an important determination of population changes? So that is migration. Migration is the movement of masses from one place to another. If the people in a large number leave a place, their number reduces from that place, but where they go, the population of that place increase, which is the direct indicator of measuring population change of a place. Dinosaurs went extinct about 65 million years ago at the end of the Cretaceous period. By the end of the Cretaceous period, about 65 million years ago, the dinosaurs were disappeared. According to geologists, Cretaceous period is the most recent period. In this era, the climate became relatively hot, due to which all the creatures become extinct. Cretaceous is the third and final period of the Mesozoic era, as well as longest. Charles Darwin, the famous evolutionist, proposed his theory in which one of his book, that is The Origin of Species. Darwin published The Origin of Species in 1859. Darwinism is the theory of biological evolution developed by English naturalist Charles Darwin 1809 to 1882, and others, stating that all species of organism arises and develop through the natural selection of small inherited variation that increase the individual ability to compete, survive, and reproduce.